we're full. Guys, we're currently here at our boarding gate. Pero not sure pa. Kasi pa bago-bago. And did you know guys that we have the smoothest immigration experience? Kasi ang tinanong lang sa amin ay if family ba kami. Si mama di pa nakakadati ng SG. Pinupulikot na. So we're here na sa airplane. So, here's our breakfast for today. Yum! And right after we eat Kaya Toast, we are now here at Wingstop. Ang rule ay huwag mag-convert para di masakit. This is a meal for two. Aftermath. So we're out and about. It's currently 4:30 and nag-freshen up lang kami. Although it's kind of late. I think we're going to Marina Bay. Finally, nagmukha ring fresh dito sa Singapore. Hi! Happy to be here! Oh. What a pretty mall! Update, pagod na.
Parang gusto ko lang kumain kahit ano nalamanan lang. Para malakas pag-video.
Sige, napapicture lang tayo dyan sa ano. We have the best spot. Kami. So we're going to roam around here.
Welcome to Singapore River and thank you for cruising with Water B. Before you embark on your journey, we'd like to highlight some important guidelines for your safety and comfort. Anything out of the window, on your seats, or climb onto the roof. Should a life jacket be required, you will find it underneath your seat or at designated marked compartments on the boat. Unbuckle the buckle at the front of the jacket.
We're done with the cruise. Almost no people out here. It's scary here. Ang mga Disney princess gusto nang umuwi. Ang tour guide ay gusto pang gumala. Current situation. Hi guys, it's officially our second day in Singapore. We are riding a bus. Aakyatin namin yan.
Fort Canning.
Saan galing yun?
Fort Canning.
Nanay mo nag-iiba-iba yung mga terms. Yes. Medyo mahabang hagdanan ito. Pero carry lang. So we are now in land here at the Fort Canning for the photo op. Daming tao.
A few moments later.
That's the temple, and we are here at Maxwell Food Center. So finally done ordering all our goods here at Maxwell. Here's our food bag.
Nung wala
Yeah.
pa nagano kayo media.
Bugs o boss.
Sura ng gusto.
Grabe. Tagal-tagal yung mga makeup ko, guys. Ba't ang kalog naman? So, we're going to Jiwon Changi Airport and we're currently walking here. Touchdown and we're gonna find a spot to take a picture. This is the $1 sandwich ice cream but ngayon. I ordered wafer peppermint chocolate. One of the best sellers here.
Okay, thank you. Come on.
Your favorite. So yum. We are now here at the Merlion. You don't wanna walk that much from Marina Bay. Pwede kayo bumaba sa Raffles. Ayun yung ginawa namin. And voila! Look at the view. Okay guys, here's the best view to capture Merlion. It's our day 3. It's already 10:20 and mag-brunch pa lang kami sa Sweet Chan.
Okay ba tayo?
Gutom na po ako. Anyway, eat my taco. Let's go. And yup, we're here at Sweet Chan. So we're finally here sa loob. Now we're ordering na. You have to scan there para makapag-order. Current situation. This is the milk tea I am excited for. Milk tea lovers! Milk tea lovers! Say hi! Say hi to my vlog. Oh, it's there. This is my milk tea, guys. It's a milk tea. Wow, yum! So hi guys, naglalakad na kami and medyo mainit today ang weather. Papunta kami ng Bugis or Haji?
Haji Lane.
Haji Lane. Oh, that's the Bugis daw. I don't know. Sumusunod lang ako sa yapak niya. Long arte! Anak ka ba ni Small Loud eh? Ito si Small Loudie eh. Ayun, ang bagal. Hindi pala match yung outfit ko today because it's a colorful vibe. While my outfit is kind of black and white. Where's the matchy-matchy here? What a busy street. So, since it's super init, bibili kami ng ice cream. Bibili namin ito. I'm going to use my vlog.
Just tap the... No, your card. Yeah. So you're here in the Arab Street.
To freshen up. Yeah. Doesn't have ice.
No ice?
No ice.
Oh, no ice.
So we're now here at the Haji Lane.
Future bodies way in time with the music. Branches of the trees in the windy night. I'm prey in the darkness of the night. As the April and with the future.
Na nagsabing nakaka-covered pala here. order 2 drinks because super init sa Adelaide. Init paglakad. Thank you. So, we're going to Orchard Road, everyone. Shopping na ako, finally. So pretty. Literally born to buy this luxury brand, but forced to buy in Shopee, TikTok. I wanna live here. I wanna live here and buy all of this. This is so freaking nice. Birthday ko na po tomorrow. Baka naman may gusto magbigay sa akin ng mga yan. What is happening?
Goodbye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Help.
Bye. Bye. Study, my base. Start my base. Study, my base. Study.
What?
Okay. Study. So my base. Study.
No.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh, hindi pa siya tumitigan, guys. Pasok na tayo, please. No. Guys, help. Tatakot na ako. Ano pa rin siya? Masok na tayo. Guys. I just wanna enjoy Orchard. I just wanna enjoy Orchard. Okay. What an experience here. Ano masasabi niyo, guys?
Nasira na, hindi na makaporma.
Pipicture pa naman ako. So yeah, all of us has our own bags. Okay, nabawi na yung bad trip ko kanina. But I have my 2,000 kids. Hawi ang takot kanina. If something bad, go shopping. So we are here at the Newton Center, guys. Yup, we ordered the mango pineapple extra large jumbo. They're so nice here. So here's our food today. Mga anak ni Henderson. Let's eat Saan? Also, I forgot, this is our last day here in Singapore. And later, we will ride a bus going to Malaysia. Or the Nipis guys.
Mas mura doon sa ano? Mas mura doon sa DBS. 5 lang yung access fee. Sa OCP. BC ano. Pero mahal.
guys sa cable car. Oh no, I'm getting
SB at SG.
Ah, yes. SB at SG. Super init pala dito. Di nyo naman sinabi. Can't update you guys. Sobrang kaganda na. But we're on the way to...